Facts you didn't know about. Did you know manta rays have the largest brains of all fish in the ocean? This is because they are highly intelligent creatures, capable of problem solving, forming social bonds, and even recognizing themselves in mirrors, a rare sign of self-awareness. Scientists have observed manta rays gathering in groups, communicating through body movements, and even showing curiosity toward divers. Their large brains help them navigate long distances across the ocean and remember feeding grounds, proving that there's much more going on behind those graceful movements than most people realize. Like, share, and subscribe for more interesting facts you didn't know about.